Hey, I'm Carson, finishing technician here at DMS. Today, let's check out one of our most versatile builds, the twin-table Teton 5-axis CNC router. Built right here in Colorado Springs, this machine features dual 5x5 tables and is powered by a 15 horsepower Hiteco birotative tilt head spindle with liquid cooling and HSK 63 tooling. Rapid speeds up to 1,800 inches per minute. A massive 36-inch Z-axis travel. The X-axis bridge spans 10 feet, and full 72-inch Y-axis table travel. Safety? Built in, with bumper switches and aluminum extrusion safety railings to protect your crew. Bannock 31IB5 controller with a crisp 21-inch touchscreen. 12-position traveling tool carousel, plus a Renishaw tool height sensor for precision calibration. This machine is engineered for speed, precision, and non-stop productivity. Want to see it in action or learn more? Head to dmscncrouters.com. We've got the machine for you. DMS, the name behind the world's best work.